let's start removing the master switch for the windows here. We're going to carefully get in between this area, being very careful not to damage it. All I want to do is simply gently pry this up a little bit. And now I'm just going to use a prying tool, carefully get underneath this and slowly lift it up. Now let's go ahead and have a look at the bottom of this. There's going to be some wiring on the bottom that we're going to have to remove. Right along this area where my index finger is, we're going to go ahead and squeeze on this tab. We'll gently pull this off of the switch. Every time you remove an electrical connector, you want to inspect it. Make sure you don't see any funny colors. If you do, it's corrosion and it needs to be dealt with. This looks great, so I'll go ahead and put it right in here. Now let's go ahead and do the same to this one, right where my index finger is. We'll squeeze that tab, pull that off, inspect it, and set this aside. All right, let's get our master switch installed here. Now we have our locking tabs. Just going to go ahead and take this, slide it right down in position, and we're going to listen for the clicks. Make sure it's completely seated and not hanging up. This looks perfect.